if somebody takes this treatment? Tell me that. What is the benefits of Koha therapy?
Ma'am, Nishta's first session today, so she really needs a brief recap.
Yeah,
It's
that
a
is
first
why I'm
session.
doing. That is
Yeah,
the reason I'm
yeah.
doing all this. Yeah, yeah. So that
Basic,
she will. Huh.
basic thing is economical.
Yes.
Second thing is no need of surgeries, and no need to get. Sometimes it happens we might get hospitalized also for treatments.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Second thing is economical, and it's totally based on the natural supplements, minerals, and food. So there is no chemical involved in it. And
Okay.
uh,
And
Excuse me. Hello.
yes, Nista.
hello.
Yes, Nista.
I want to know fourth doctor name.
No, there is no fourth doctor name. We work on the basis of Ayurveda.
No, you tell na
See,
Dr.
yeah,
Peter
yeah,
Edema,
see,
Dr.
see,
Leonard
yeah,
Collins.
see, yeah, yeah. See, we work on the based on the principles of renowned scholars of the world. One is Dr. Peter Adamo, who talks about the
Yeah,
blood group.
blood group.
Then we talk about Dr. Linus Pauling, who works with the mineral deficiency.
Okay,
Then the third one is Dr. Vishwa Sarup, who speaks about the health
natural
nutrients,
diet.
actual diet. And then the
Mhm.
fourth is Ayurvedic nutrition.
Okay, okay.
Ayurveda, which is there since Asians in our country. So we work on that. That is our fourth
Okay,
parameter which we work on.
okay, great.
Ma'am,
Thank you.
kind request, please share the Kohar pamphlet for the newcomers.
Yeah. I will share. Yeah, tell me, Narendra. Now the benefits.
First is, as I told, as it's economical. Second thing, no need of surgeries. Okay.
Yeah.
As per the consultation, as per our flexibility, we can treat ourselves. Okay. It's no time bounding. It's no time consuming process. Okay.
Hmm.
Uh, this is the basic thing what I recognize till now.
Okay. Now see,
Mm,
what
mm,
we say the benefit of Koha therapy first is cure without medicine and surgery.
okay. Mm,
Means there is no medicines per se. Okay. If in
okay.
case a patient wants to get treated with our fillers, we get them treated naturally.
Mm,
If in case it's a very critical, where we suggest them some supplements, we don't tell them that you need to take this, but
okay.
we give them that combinations. We tell them, okay, if you are taking this nutritions, this is where you will be benefited, and this is how your time bound treatment will be. As we are saying, our treatment is time bound.
Okay.
If in case I go to any doctor with a diabetic or with
Mm,
a blood pressure or with a heart problem, they will not give me the time bound or even the thyroid per se or even the
mm,
TB per se. They're not telling me the time bound, even the liver cirrhosis per se.
okay.
Okay, they will not tell me the time bound, okay, this much time it is going to take cure. But here we are saying you, even the cancer patient, we give them the time bound. But when we say the time bound, it's the combinations what he takes. If in case a patient cannot afford it, he can come via Arrow Humanity, where you can see above, managed by Arrow Humanity Foundation, which is an NGO. Okay, where we treat patient free of cost. If in case it is very critical, he cannot do anything, so we will manage it via Arrow Humanity Foundation, where he can sorry, where he can be given supplement. Along with supplements, we will treat him as per our fitness pillars. That is where we say it is time bound cure. Depending on the stage of his cancer, we will be telling him that it could be 6 to 9 months time. If in case it's a third to fourth stage, it may vary from 9 months to a year. But we are specifying the patient on the spot after working out with him. Okay, then we say it is a permanent cure for lifetime. If in case today I start in medicines in allopathy, either for BP or for diabetic or for heart, it is lifelong medicines. But in this, we say it is a lifetime cure. Here, you don't need different doctors to go for. If I'm a BP patient, I'll go for one doctor. If I've got diabetic, I'll go to another doctor. If I'm a, we say one therapist can treat any amount of diseases. Any amount means a person having multiple diseases also can be cured by one therapist. I have got dialysis, I've got BP, okay, and I'm also a heart patient. So I don't need to go to a different therapist because somewhere the line of treatment is going to be same. One thing. Second thing, the supplements, in case if I am taking it, there are a lot of supplements which is going to be combining both, you know, it has got a combinations. So I don't need to go to another doctor. I don't need to go to another therapist. So in this, what we say, it is an economical. Why economical? Because a patient is not going to 10 places. One thing, the medication, the a line of treatment is through one. Means क्या होता है? If I have to go to a diabetic के लिए for my dialysis, he will tell me one line of treatment. If I go to a heart specialist, he will tell me another line of treatment. For my BP, a third doctor will tell me another line of treatment. So here it is economical for any layman. Why? Because we work on the principles of the renowned scholars of the world. Dr. Peter Adamo, who says, here directly he's saying, eat right for your blood type. The blood group is most important factor in our human health. If in case I eat anything which is not linked to my blood group, being young, you may not suffer any disease. But yes, as soon as you start growing it, somewhere or the other, you are going to suffer, which we don't realize. Now, for an example, people with A blood group and B positive blood group, they are not supposed to be having coconut. Okay. And since childhood, they keep on having coconut. They don't have any effect on it. It will not even it will help, nor it will, give the benefits. But somewhere it is going to hamper at the later stage. How? It could be the digestion problem. A person may frequently face a digestion problem. It could be even, what we say is something, the diseases which get accumulated to it. But we don't know which part of the disease may come in. So that is where what Dr. Peter Adamo says, your blood group is the most important factor in human healthcare. Then Dr. Linus Pauling, what he says, the mineral plays a crucial role in your body. Why mineral? 75% of your body is with water intake. And we get mineral through our water. So what he says, mineral deficiency is the root cause of every disease. He's a 2 Nobel Prize winner and he's a 48 PhD degree holder. He says, if you maintained this, automatically you are keeping your diseases away from your body. Then comes natural food diet. Yes, somebody questioning? The third parameter, what we say, a natural cure, Dr. Vishwa Sarup, what he says, natural food diet means you should be taking more and more consumption of your natural food intake. Means your ratio should be 80% raw and 20% cooked. Because most of the minerals gets destroyed over there, most of the nutrients gets destroyed over there while cooking. Then comes Ayurvedic nutrition, natural Ayurvedic nutrition, and these nutritions are available in your kitchen. What does Ayurveda says? What does naturopath says? We have got 3 types of bodies, right? As per our system, one is Rajvat, one is Sattvic, okay, and then is Tatho. So what happens in people, if in case I talk about the corona cases right now. Okay, the person who is a sattvic, as per Ayurveda, if in case he's a sattvic, his body tend to heal on its own, whether in a mind sense or whether in a body sense. But if a person's body is Rajvik, there a person tend to have too many health issues. Means a person getting fat bonds will be a obese person. A person with a cholesterol, high level of cholesterol will have a blockage problem. A person with a creatine problem will have a diabetic. So it is like if you are driving a car, if you are at a first gear, that is a person whose body is sattvic, automatically he tends to cure on its own. And when it comes to Rajvik, you are driving a car at a second, third gear, you may bang a car. There will be a damage. So when you say a damage, you have already created too many disease inside. But still it has got a capacity to cure on its own. A person driving it at a second and third gear meets with an accident, the vehicle will get repaired. A person inside may hurt, but will come out of it. And the third one is tamogun, what we say. Here, a person's thing is not in your hand. Uncontrollable diabetic, cancer patients. Here, the immunity person doesn't have. So when we say about the cohort therapy, we work on this Ayurvedic. We work with an Ayurvedic nutrition because to balance your life. This is the benefit about cohort therapy. Now, the three companies what we have, one is managed by Arrow Humanity. It's an NGO.
Excuse me.
Yeah, Narendra, tell me.
Yeah. Can you repeat the three? One is Satvik and first one was?
First is Satvik.
Okay.
The other one is Rajvik.
Rajvik. Okay.
And the third one is Tamogun.
Tamogun. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
See, that is the reason today also if you see for coronavirus, you know, Ayurveda and homeopath has got the healing property. And that is one of the reasons why India is still on a safe hand. If in case it is a person on the first stage, that is Satvik and Rajvik, he will get cured on its own. But when it is on the second stage, as I told, आप गाड़ी चलाते हो सेकेंड थर्ड गियर पे है तो प्रॉब्लम्स होंगे आपको यहाँ पे भी आपको कफ होगा फीवर होगा वीकनेस होगी सब होगा इसका टाइम जो है क्यूरेबल का टाइम लगेगा यहाँ पे राजविक में पेशेंट एक्सपायर नहीं होगा बट जहाँ पे आपका तमोगुण आता है वहां पे क्योंकि अनकंट्रोलेबल है पीपल हैव टू मेनी डिजीजेस So this becomes a fourth stage of driving, which you are driving a car and automatically you hit, you're not alive. So that is where a tamogun person, if in case he doesn't keep himself healthy, he is not having more of a natural nutrients. He eats more of a boil, he eats more of a cooked food. And his lifestyle is more of a stress without any botheration. He is completely stressed. He's completely into trauma. He's eating what it comes in front of him. So that is a person who are the sufferer. This person also can be cured, but he has to come to that condition. He has to do a lot of breathing exercise. He has to do pranayams, which will help him to get his immunity built. Okay, so the second, is it clear, Narendra?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay, done. So the second company, the GSK Wellness Hospital, this is at Mira Road, where it is 5,000 square feet multi-specialist hospital. Any patient getting it treated over here, we give them an option. We tell them, okay, we can treat you with get medicine and surgery free, or whatever you have thought about. But we tell them what cohort therapy is all about. Then comes Kohar Health LLP. Kohar Health LLP is nothing but limited liability partnership. When it comes to limited liability partnership, you are registered under that government. Our company, our hospital is in Maharashtra, so we are registered under Maharashtra government. This company, Kohar Health LLP, does lot of research, like corona patient. On that day, I was talking to Bhaiya, Pradeep Kohar Bhaiya. So what he said, in corona case, like person having a corona itself, having cold, cough, or even the fever, just give him 200 ml water, just put CMD drops, 20 CMD drops, and ask him to take 40 red chili flakes, only the seeds. जो उसके अंदर बीज होते हैं ना रेड चिली के अंदर, सो वो बीज 40 लुकवार्म पानी में 20 ड्रॉप CMD डालेगा. He has to drink every 3 hours. His fever goes away. And I did with my brother. No? He had fever and one day he recovered. अगर किसी के पास CMD नहीं है, लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है जहां पे हम उसको पहुंचा सकते हैं, तो what he can do, Gayatri madam has itself taken. उस गर्म पानी में you put 1 teaspoon of सेंधा नमक. With that you take seeds, red chili के seeds ले लो, 40 seeds, and gulp and take it every 3 hours. Your temperature goes away. So Kohar Health LLP does all that research to know where we can treat patient more better way. Then comes Pronto Healthcare Solution. This is only available in Mumbai right now. We don't have anywhere else. But once the
Pardon,
lockdown is, Hanji,
Pardon, please.
yeah, tell me.
Pardon, please. What you said about after?
Pronto Healthcare Solution.
Okay.
This services is only available in Mumbai. Okay, once the lockdown is over, we will be expanding this services across India too. यहाँ पे we give you the service by providing you the hospital treatment at home. In the sense, we provide you the doctor, we provide you the nurse, we provide you the daycare. If in case you want a care assistant for that patient, we provide you that. In this itself also there is an earning for you. When we will discuss the ways of earning. Okay. When we say get medicine and surgery free, you bring any patient with any diseases, we can get him cured. Starting from your top of your head hair till the toe. The 2 diseases where I don't have a cure, one is doubt, शक, and the second is death, जिसका कोई इलाज नहीं है. बाकी सबका इलाज है मेरे पास. Is this clear for the newcomers, those who have come? Nishta, Neelam?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, okay. So then we did was yesterday, what we did was counseling. I'll just repeat what we have done yesterday so that I can take it more ahead. Please refer the distributor file. I will be sending it to the new participants who have joined today. Okay, just message me. Or either you can, if in case you have come through
I have,
doctor's.
madam. I have already forwarded it.
Okay, done. Ajita, I will do it to you. Okay, here what we discuss about what cohort therapy is, what are its benefit. Okay, then what we did yesterday was on counseling. Your counseling plays a crucial role. What you have to note down is first the patient's name, the gender, the male or female, because the line of treatment will vary accordingly. Then the estimation time, after discussing, we tell them that this is the estimation time. And the date the person takes the input along with you. That is the first, if in case he's come today, 25th May. Okay, then comes the age. Age plays a very crucial role. Why? If in case a person is young, then you know the disease getting cured would be more faster because of its metabolism. And if in case the person is senior, the more the aged person, you know the metabolism is on a very low end, so we need to work out more in a better way. So there your estimation time will vary. Then comes your weight and height, body mass index. Take the blood group because a therapy is based on the principles. If in case I'm B positive, the patient who comes to you first, he says I'm a B positive, you have to tell him to go as per the B positive blood group diet. The counseling will start in a chronological order. The first disease, what it is there, you will be taking at that. I'll just share one what we discussed yesterday so that you can understand better.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me. Yeah, madam. Somebody questioning, yes?
Yeah, there is Farah inside. Farah, welcome to the group. Farah, can you hear us?
Okay, tell
Madam,
me,
आप
Farah.
continue करिए. आप continue. I think her mic is not on. So, Farah, can
Okay.
you hear us? Okay, madam, आप continue करिए. We are running short of time.
Okay, done. So now I'll share the screen, just a counseling session, what we took about. So then I have to start with a consulting today. Okay, 1 second. This is the one of the patient, okay, where she came to me with a bulgy uterus and the ovarian cyst. But before starting with her treatment or understanding, what I did, I started understanding since when she has got this problem. She's going through a menopause. That is the thing what I noted down first when she consulted the gynac in the year 2018. And the tests were done that time. That time also it was being diagnosed that she's having a bulky uterus with the same size. What she did, she started with the treatment, but she left that into half. That was homeopathy medicine. So luckily, while taking that treatment, as she was taking a treatment for her hormonal imbalances, because of the menopause, when you go through hormonal imbalances, her uterus size had not increased. It was same. But once she stopped that treatment, she started with mudra treatment because she was also having thyroid. So these two things were being taken up with a mudra treatment. See, whatever is a natural available, whether it is mudra, whether it is cupping therapy, they really help you. Or whether I talk about yoga, it helps you. Now, one patient of mine is prior used to never do yoga. She started doing the pranayams. Her leg, which was always a swollen up, and she had a wound in her leg, is 50% cured. Means till today, she was only on antibiotics and only on, applying tube. And she used to always tie a cloth around. But as soon as coronavirus was being diagnosed, in the India. So I just asked her, please आपको जिंदा रहना है तो आप ये काम कीजिए. So with that fear, she's 70 plus lady. With that fear, she started, and just day before yesterday, she showed me her wound, which is 50% cured. That was really a magic. So natural ways of getting it treated are available, and it is proven. So whether I talk about cupping therapies, whether I talk about acupressure, acupuncture, people get cured. So what she did, she started with mudra therapy, where her thyroid level came to normal. And right now she's going through a menopause. So I asked her the dates, of her periods, how frequently they are coming. So I have noted down everything. And plus, prior she used to have a heavy flow for 7 days. So now she's having a heavy flow for 3 days. And on the 4th day, it's gone. Then I asked her what tablet is she taking. So she told me she's only taking one multivitamin, multimineral capsule. That is bicardexamine. That's it. And D-Rice she takes once in a 3 month, which is for deficiency of vitamin D and all that. What I did, I took her the recent reports, which she had done on 29th Jan 2020. So whatever was low or high, I noted down. Including that time she had got her pap smear done. So what the pap smear say? She is a negative in cancer, but there's some inflammation smear which is been seen. Plus, her report, ultrasound report, shows a mildly bulky uterus, the same size what she had prior also. And then she has an ovarian cyst of 3.8 into 2.8 centimeter. So before starting her treatment, I just asked her, would you want to go ahead with the supplements or do you want with a natural fitness pillow? She said, you even tell me the supplements, then I will take a call. So whatever supplements were needed, I have jotted down, which when we discuss, we will show you even this case again. But what she did, she said, I don't want to go with the supplements, but I would prefer to take it with your fitness pillow. And her condition is very good now. It's hardly been 3rd week where she is running with a fitness pillow still. A line of treatment, I had told her 1 to 3 months. If in case she goes along with the supplement, otherwise it is going to be double the time. And she's okay. She said, I'm okay with double the time. Plus, she started all the pranayams. She started with all the physical activities where her breathing automatically can improve and help her out. This is a one way of earning. What we say, we have got 24 ways of earning as per cohort therapy. So one among way is a counseling. In counseling, your earning is your own earning. You are not sharing it with anyone if you are doing the counseling. But yes, if in case you are referring a patient to someone else, there it will be shared. Is this point clear? Is this point clear? Can anyone tell me yes or no?
Yeah. It's
Okay.
clear.
So if in case you are referring a patient to someone, there the ratio will be 20-80 because 80% that counselor will be taking, 20% she will be sharing with you. But that too also an understanding base also can be considered because it is between you what you want to take. But if in case a patient is going via supplement will be only through your ID and not through the person who is treating her for counseling. Because counseling is done only for the one time. Counseling charges will also vary place to place. So we will not be saying you, okay, you charge this much only. It is up to you what you want to charge and how much you want to charge. Because if in case your area gives you 10,000 rupees for counseling, you are free to charge. If your area gives you 1,000 rupees, you are free to charge. If it gives you 500 rupees, it is free of, it is your charges. Here, this, we are just giving you a platform. You anyway have your own place. So when you start treating this patient, when one patient sees a result, automatically he gets you 10 more patients. So this becomes your counseling. Then there's a thin line differences. Person thinks counseling and consulting is one and the same, but it is not so. In consulting, you are with the patient from the time you start the therapy till the time he is recovered. And consulting, if in case a patient is going to take 1 month, you are going to be taking 1 month consulting in advance. I'll show you one of the consulting patient ka. Okay, how do we monitor so that you understand the differences? Okay, this is one of the patient who has got multiple cysts. Okay, with only BP. I think somebody's voice is coming behind. Can you please put it on mute? सोना मैडम आप उनको अनम्यूट कर दो ना. हाँ, ओके. ये एक पेशेंट की है वे आई डू द कंसल्टिंग डे इन डे आउट. Here comes the main important role because आप थेरेपिस्ट हो, आप उसके साथ जब भी से ट्रीटमेंट चालू होगी till the time the treatment gets over. So this is a second way of earning where depending on the type of disease, depending on the time of duration, you charge the patient in advance. Here you have to monitor day wise everything what is happening, what is not happening to the patient. This patient started the treatment on 25th April with multiple cysts in her abdomen in an ovarian. Okay, where the size is like a tennis ball size. So complete stiffness in the stomach, complete stiffness in the legs and swelling in the feet. And with a BP tablet taking since past 10 to 12 years. She never had any lifelong history of anything. Twice she got an asthma attack due to climatic condition. She came from Amritsar to Mumbai. Otherwise, she is not an asthmatic patient too. Okay, so 25th, I noted down the weight because it was going to be overall affecting. She had put on weight. Her stomach had become like a pregnant lady. So I measured that. Then I measured her blood pressure day in, day out, what her blood pressure is. Today she is without BP medicine. Her BP is normal. So morning BP, evening BP, her pulse. I measured her stomach size. If you see, the first 2 days her size was 32, then it got reduced to 31. Her leg swelling was 13.5, then it reduced to 12.5, then it reduced to 12. Her feet size was 8.5 and now it is normal 8. As she is having multiple cysts, so 10%, it is going to be affecting her kidneys. So what we need to do is, we need to note down how much water intake she is taking. Is she excreting the same amount of also or not? So she took 1850 water ml intake. She outputted 1700. That is fair enough. The next day, if you see, her output was 2950, whereas her output in the form of urine was only 1100. Why? Because on this day she started with severe dehydration because of the CMD reaction. Can you understand now the implication how it is happening it? Where her urine output is going down, but her severe dehydration, so she was anyway hydrating it via the water, via the form of secretion. Her color of the urine, as on the first day she was hardly with any supplements, so it was in white. Second day it became mild yellow, and the third day now it is only dark yellow. She was on a BP with 1 tablet. Being a critical, because she had a multiple cyst, doctor had had asked to take CT sonography or CA-125 test that is related to cancer. So what we did, we immediately started with her with 20 drops of CMD to mineralize her body. On the very first day, what I did, I made her do alkaline water, because alkaline water, it really plays a very crucial role in our life. Though she has got that water filter per se जो बोलते हैं mineral का, but I made her do it in the natural form what it is was a need of an hour. Then I started with her protein tablet, protein powder, because she was being made to go on a complete water therapy for first 7 days, but she could go only for 4 days because of her severe dehydration. So CMD and Tulsi Punch, we recommend each and every patient to take it up. But if in case a patient says no, we don't force them. Then we give them a natural way also. Yeah, we started as she was a critical patient. I directly went with a premium package where all supplements were included, what was a need of it. I gave her CalMag D. Why? Because it will support her calcium and magnesium and vitamin D so that she doesn't goes into the deficiency, being only on a water therapy. I started with her flaxseed oil, being a vegetarian, omega-3, omega-6, omega-9 was compulsory for her. Then I had to take, because she's having a problem in the kidney, I need to protect even her liver. So I gave her Levocare too. I gave her Biospringer, because Biospringer has got one of the moringa component which is very good, which gives you vitamin A, B, C, D, E. Along with that, it gives you zinc, magnesium, calcium, iron. And that too, not one time, 2 times. Moringa gives you till 20 to 30 times too. Like if in case I'm having 1 spinach, 1 moringa will give me 30 times spinach ka capacity. If I take a moringa, it has got, anyway I used to prescribe this even when I used to do naturopath. But Biospringer luckily has got that. So it does antioxidant, it is anti-inflammatory. So it cleans not only your kidney or liver, but it also suppresses the flow towards your heart. So Biospringer was being given to her. Has she had an ovarian cancer, 10% her kidney would have been affected because of her continuous urination every 45 minutes. Plus to boost her immunity, we made it accordingly. Your first 4 days, if you see, she is only and only on water therapy, nothing else. But once her water therapy stopped, we started with her power juice. This is our fitness pillar where we work with. Consulting, this becomes a very crucial point. What happens to patient when? So we have to note down everything. Counseling, you do to the patient one time. He will understand. He will just go ahead. He may take the things in his own hand and he may just report it to you. But when you are doing consulting, you are charging for it and you need to know every moment. This patient, every hour I should take first the report. Now I take every 3 hours. See, first day she did not had any effect of CMD. So her loose motions was normal. But next day, you see 19 times, 12 times, 9 times, 4 times, 2 times. So the consistency, how it is moving? Plus any remarks. First day she did not bother anything. Second day she had a vomiting, she got loose motion. So if this comes, there's nothing to worry about. Don't get panicky about, because this are the good symptom for us. So what we did on the second day itself, from 20 CMD drops, we made her to 5 drops. To understand her stomach consistency, how much minerals are getting absorbed. And 20 CMD drops she puts in every time she takes 200 ml of water. Whether she takes even supplements with it. So she needs to be putting that. See, every remark has been mentioned over here. What has been given to her, when it has been given to her, whether the weakness is there or not there, what is she going through it. Once at a time, she did not have even a swelling. See, no swelling, but pain and weakness. When she started with salad, we have mentioned over here, started with salad and dry fruits and juice 2 times, because she came into power diet where she went 80-20 ratio. So every detailing is being mentioned over here. This is what a consulting does. Is this clear? Any question in consulting? Are you able to understand and are you able to connect? Can anybody tell me that? Yes. Can anyone answer? Yeah,
Hello.
Shivani. Yeah, tell me, Narendra.
Yes, bit of it, but need to get some more details about it because everything.
Like what you want to know more about it? Can you tell me?
See that last after that BP के बाद में जो भी आपने segment बताया था, okay,
Okay.
that
1
segment
second.
needs to be yes.
1 second. 1 second.
Of in consideration, yeah.
1 second. Yeah. 1 second. After blood pressure, we have monitored her pulses every time.
Yes.
We
Okay.
have taken the measurement of her stomach, legs, and feet. Why
Okay.
stomach? Because her stomach had become like a pregnant lady. Her feet had become like an elephant. It was so mota. Her
Okay.
legs. And her feet had also swollen up. She is a patient, 75-year old. She never had a diabetic. She's completely free diabetic. She never had, though she had 10 years BP, but her legs were never swollen in her life. This was the
Okay.
first time. So we noted down her legs ka measurement.
Okay.
So on the very third day, you can see the reduction of the measurement and size also. From 32, it became 31. The leg size, it became 12.8. The feet, it became to normal 8.
Okay.
Plus, after that, what we did, as this was more linked to kidney because of the ovarian cyst, so we started doing even a urine output. I should know कि जितना वो कंज्यूम करती है पानी उतना उसका आउटपुट हो रहा है कि नहीं. तो आप अगर फर्स्ट डे में देखोगे उसका इनपुट ऑफ वाटर कितना था 1850 और आउटपुट वाज 1700 500 प्लस 1200. बट आप सेकेंड डे में देखोगे उसका इनपुट कितना है 2950 जबकि उसका आउटपुट कितना है खाली 1100. तो डॉक्टर क्या
Okay.
करता है, ये पैरामीटर को देख के एक हमको कंसर्न आ जाता है, बट मुझे कंसर्न नहीं था। क्यों? मेरे को मालूम था उसको 18 टाइम्स ऑलरेडी वो डिहाइड्रेटेड हो चुकी है, तो किसी तरीके से उसका पानी बाहर निकल रहा था.
Okay.
That is where here it is, if you see, I have mentioned over here the loose motions.
Mhm.
1 second. Can you see here? Loose motion. First day no, second day 19 times, third day
Yes,
12
yes.
times, 9
Mhm.
times, 4 times, 2 times, 7 times. So we are maintaining that consistency to see how is she going.
Okay.
So
Yeah, got it.
yeah. So what we do, even the swelling we mention, I'm still mentioning yes, yes, yes. Why? Because she still has a abdominal swelling. Okay. She still has a leg swelling. Her feet is normal.
Okay.
Okay. That is the reason I'm saying yes, yes, yes. So besides this, in case we need to monitor even the color of the urine. What happens जब भी आप हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट होते हो, डॉक्टर आपको बैग चढ़ाता है ताकि उसको वो यूरिन कलर देखता है.
Hmm.
Same way we started monitoring her. We started asking her to collect the urine and keep it in a bag so that we can monitor her urine color.
Okay.
So first day it was white. Second day it turned out with the supplement and turned out to be mild yellow. The after 3 days it turned out to be a only yellow color because that secretion of the stiffness of the abdomen has become very light now on the both the sides. So it has
Okay.
started melting. So that is the color of the urine will be yellow now till the time her disease doesn't comes out completely.
Okay.
Her BP tablet, first it was 1 tablet, then it
Hmm.
became half a tablet. Now it is 1/4. Now it is nil. Can you see downstairs?
Yeah.
And her
Check it.
BP is still normal. See, her BP is still normal. 117 by 121, 105 by. Her BP also I am monitoring it because she stopped the tablet.
Okay.
So her BP is normal. That is where we work when we do the consulting, we work in and out with the patient, where we note down as per the disease. And if you see the CMD, first day she had 20 drops. Second day we reduced it to 5. Even 5 was causing a severe dehydration, we made to 2. Then again we made it to 5 drops because she was normal on the 2 drops. So we said let us make it 5. Again she came to her dehydration. Then it was normal. Then she came to 10 drops. We increased to 10. Then we do it 6 so that we know what is the mineral requirement. And now it's a constant. Can you see? Since her feet swelling, since her leg swelling and abdomen swelling has reduced, her CMD drops have also been reduced. Her protein, which was 4 times, now she's taking 3 times. So every vary of the tablets, the combinations will be stopped. Like flaxseed oil, it has been stopped now. Why? Because it is required for specific amount of time. Flaxseed oil, if in case it's given more in content, it will automatically start affecting her kidney and liver. Because it has got omega 3, 6 and 9. So when we say it is medicine free and without surgery, that is the reason we say it is without surgery and without medicines. She was being only given supplement to enhance her boosting power, which has got Ayurveda. This all medicine has got Ayurvedic herbs in it. If I talk about Calmac D, it has got calcium citrate, it has got magnesium, it has got vitamin D. Nothing else. If I talk about flaxseed oil, it has got omega 3, omega 6, omega 9. If I talk about Levocare, it has got 12 types of herbs. If I talk about Biospringa, it has got Moringa, one among them, which is antidepressing, anti-allergic, anti-inflammatory property. And plus what it gives you, vitamin A to E plus zinc, calcium, iron, magnesium. Kidney care, it is with 12 herbs in it. So when I give him kidney care, the proteins, the toxins in the kidney gets flushed out. So if in case the toxins in the kidneys are flushed out, her pumping of blood, her flow of blood is going to increase because of the oxygen level. So when the oxygen level increases, so we need to take care about that. We give her even heart care. So what we did, we gave her AM to boost her immunity. We stopped AP because whenever she was taking AP, she was getting into severe dehydration. As she is 75 years old, till now she's not having any bone related problem. But to safeguard her, we did bone and joint also. We have told her that this will be given to you for 3 months. So this is where the supplements are being made. Even the water diet, if you see, she was only on the first 4 days of water diet. After that, she's not on the water diet. Now she is only on power juice. First, what we did, we made her come to power juice. And then we made power juice, power diet, and 80-20 proportion. So now she's going all with that. Is this consulting clear now? Because this is one way of your earning. First, earning way is counseling, where you charge your patient one time and you can earn how much you want to. The second is consulting. So you can do counseling, consulting together, which is known as consultation. If you are doing it anyway, if in case your patient requires supplements, you are going to be giving him. If not, we never encourage patient to take supplements until unless it is a critical case. Otherwise, we don't recommend. Any questions over here? किसी को यहाँ पे कुछ questions? So should I take a recap and wind out? Yeah, Nishta, you want to ask something? Yeah, Ajay.
यस
Is it clear? आपको समझा सब?
हाँ सब समझ गए
अच्छा.
तो कल एक्सपेक्ट कर सकती हूँ यू विल फिल वन फॉर्म
Of counseling. I
Okay.
want tomorrow everyone to fill up one counseling form and come so that we can discuss live case.
ओके
चाहे वो आपका घर का हो, चाहे आपका वो नियर एंड डियर हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. जितना आप डिस्कस करोगे ना, उतना आपको सॉल्यूशन समझेगा और उतना आप डेप्थ में थेरेपी सीखोगे. So get any two cases. When I will explain something else, I will connect with that also. कि मतलब उसमें काउंसलिंग कैसे कर सकते हैं, हम उसमें कंसल्टिंग कैसे कर सकते हैं, हम नेचुरल तरीके से कैसे क्योर करेंगे, ताकि आपके लिए भी वो इंटरेक्शन सेशन हो जाएगा. मेरे को नहीं चाहिए कि खाली मैं बड़बड़ करूं. I want even you all to come up with questions. Yeah, Dr. Supriya, please ask them your assignment for tomorrow.
Today's assignment is you have to make one case. You have to fill the form, right, from name to blood group, everything, whatever Minal madam has mentioned for last 2 days, today and yesterday. So you try to attempt. If tomorrow first time attempt, so it may not be all correct, but the more you will try, the more confident you will be. So try to do it and come back tomorrow at 10:40. Okay.
Please be on time so that we can start our session on time. Yeah, Narendra.
Do we have any Excel sheet for it, or we can note it down in ourselves in the
You
format which
can
you
note
have
it
given?
down. मैंने आपको फॉर्मेट शेयर किया है, आप अपने
Okay.
पेपर में शीट में नोट डाउन करोगे चलोगे. अगर
Uh-huh.
आपको ये चाहिए कि you want to make the changes, I will send you in the group.
Okay, no problem. Yeah.
Yeah. Is anything else to be questions? Neelam madam, Nishta madam.
One more thing I would like to add here to all
Yes.
the participants कि जो ये असाइनमेंट हम दे रहे हैं ना, हम चाहते हैं कि आप ये ट्रेनिंग के बाद ये खुद के लिए बेनिफिट करो. Just Meenal madam explaining and y'all just blankly making a note will not give you all any success. तो मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी जिनके थ्रू आप आए हैं एटलीस्ट उनके ग्रुप पे आप ये सारी चीजें डिस्कस करें. अगर आपको हेल्थ ट्रेनिंग ग्रुप पे नहीं डालना है तो जो भी आप जॉट डाउन कर रहे हैं, जैसे कि आज का असाइनमेंट डॉक्टर सुप्रिया ने आपको एक केस स्टडी लेने को कहा है, द वे शी मीनल मैडम हैड शोन यू ऑल टुडे. तो प्लीज डू दिस. आप हैंड रिटन करके उसको फोटो निकाल के भी हमारे साथ शेयर कर सकते हैं. दिस विल हेल्प यू ऑल गिव हैंड्स ऑन टेकिंग काउंसलिंग. बिकॉज यहाँ पे जितने लोग मैं देख रही हूँ हमारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं, ये सारे प्रैक्टिशनर हैं, कोई ना कोई फील्ड से हैं. सो दिस विल रियली एनेबल यू ऑल कि जब आपके सामने कोई पेशेंट आ रहा है तो आप उसको कैसे अप्रोच करें और कहीं पे यू डोंट फॉल शॉर्ट. इसीलिए वी आर गिविंग यू ऑल दीस ट्रेनिंग्स. सो दोज हु रियली अग्री, प्लीज डू दिस. दिस इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू ऑल. सिर्फ ट्रेनिंग लेना इज नॉट आवर मेन थिंग. आप उसको कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं इज ऑल्सो आवर जॉब.
वेरी ट्रू, वेरी ट्रू. क्योंकि आप इसको करियर के तौर पे आगे लेके जाओगे. कोई करियर के तौर पे कुछ चीजों को लेके जाएगा. सम विल टेक अ करियर इन अ डिफरेंट फील्ड. या निष्ठा, यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन?
Yeah,
Okay,
like
हाँ.
जो हमें फॉर्म फिल करना है
यस.
उसमें क्या क्या मतलब लाइक ब्लड ग्रुप मतलब क्या कैसे करना है?
आप पेशेंट का नाम भरोगे, उसका जेंडर भेजोगे, उसका एज भरोगे, उसका वेट,
वो
हाइट
तो जनरल थिंग्स आई विल डू, बट
and blood.
देयर इज एनी
You will note down the person case history, na? That's it.
Yeah.
Don't write estimation timing. We will discuss the case and I will tell you then, na?
निष्ठा, you have to
Okay,
pick up
okay.
a problem, any case study, जो भी. Say for example, अगर कुछ भी नहीं आ रहा है तो common cold या जो भी आपको ऐसे लग रहा
case
है.
study I have done many case studies.
हाँ हाँ, तो
But
you just
I
have to in this
Yeah, okay.
pretext हम जो ये कर रहे हैं ना, ताकि आप आगे इनका जो applications हैं आप समझ पाओ. That's why we just telling it for
Okay.
your this thing.
will do. Thank you.
Thank you. Any
Okay,
questions
thank you,
or-
madam.
Thank you very much, all.
Thank
See
you,
you
everybody.
tomorrow. Have a nice day. May God bless you all. See you tomorrow.
Yeah, thank you
Same
so
time.
much. See you
Same you
tomorrow.
as well. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you, everybody.
Take care.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. अजीता, are you clear? अजीता, आपको कुछ क्वेश्चन है और?
I won't have any question. I just want to know, like, is there any prerequisite to join this?
No.
Okay.
Anyone can join.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
So, like, what if a person? I mean, we get a person having diabetic issue.
Yes.
So, as in a person, like, I am not aware, like, what medicines we should give to a patient. So, would you
Yes.
guys help me in that?
Yes.
Yes.
We will be guiding you everything in this 10 days training.
Okay. Cool.
By
Cool.
10 days, you will be confident enough what to give.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
And otherwise, Ajita, once you are through with this 10 days training, na, we
Yeah.
have a session which is from 2 to 3, where we discuss everyday cases.
Okay. Okay.
Can be part of that discussion also once you know the therapy, na?
Okay.
See,
Okay.
right now, if you attend, it may make you sense, it may not make you sense. But
Right.
once, if you know the therapy, then at least you can talk over there.
Correct. Correct.
Okay?
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
this 10 days is very crucial for you all to learn the therapy. And then be part of that case studies, 2 to 3. You bring up any case every day, we will discuss.
Okay. Cool.
We'll give you the
Yeah.
solution there and there.
Yeah.
Because
Sure.
today you may bring in a case which you know, but tomorrow you may get another case, na?
Right, right.
So,
Yeah.
you know, maybe some of you may not be able to initially. So in this case study, when you are discussing with us, you are learning how the things are even worked out, no?
Correct, correct.
That
Yes.
is how it is going to help you.
Yeah, true. So you're gonna send me that PDF, right?
I'm going to be sending you the PDF. I'm going to be sending you yesterday's recording too.
Okay, cool, cool. Yeah.
Yeah, done.
Thank you. Yeah.
कोहर हेल्थ सब्सक्राइब पे क्लिक कीजिए और बेल आइकन को दबाइए हमारे साथ जुड़े रहने के लिए।